If you love animals as much as we do, don't forget to leave a like.
Husky's finally in his natural element, a fluff ball in a snowball.
No! No! Get out!
Get off my castle.
Prove that dogs are allergic to sandcastles.
No.
Did you know golden retrievers are extremely people-oriented?
What a good boy.
Hey, friends.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Who wouldn't be excited to meet their best friends?
I did not fill up the tub for you. That's supposed to be my bubble bath. That's supposed to be for me. Does it feel nice?
Biscuit, you leave that baby alone. Biscuit, are you talking back?
¿Para quién te preguntando?
Human had no idea her house was about to become a free Airbnb for goats.
By eating and filtering sand, sea cucumbers help keep marine ecosystems healthy.
Maligator.exe has stopped working due to excessive affection. This furry customer is checking the quality of every squeaker.
What's going on?
Looks like she's officially been claimed by the pack.
Goldens will respect her decor until it becomes edible. You're a golden retriever and you just discovered your own tail.
Regular socialization is the best way to reduce overexcitement like this. Don't miss the next video of these hilarious dogs. They bring 100% energy to the park and leave with 0%.
Round in water.
Look at Lady! Oh my god! Oh my god! She's so stinking precious! Look at how she's sitting! Such a whip! Are you okay? Come here.
And just like that, the dog...
Stellar sea lions are the largest sea lions in the world. Some males can grow to more than 11 feet long.
Can you say hey? Hey. Hey. Hey.
When your muscle memory kicked in at the wrong event,
Brighten is going to show us the finger of peace.
All right, peace. Oh, so nice.
The hand of war.
Peace. Oh, so nice.
What's that supposed to mean?
Hi, Bean. You're okay. Finally, thank you.
From farm prince to river tourist, Cow chose the river life for her vacation destination.
This one has gone full turtle and there is no turning back.
ขึ้นไปเร็วเร็วเร็วมาเร็วขึ้นไปเหนื่อยขอบ
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time and stay awesome.
Close the door all the way. Good boy.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want a hug?
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Timmy, go.
Okay, give me 2 seconds. We're dramatic. You want it outside.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly. The moment the pack expanded by 2 tiny feet.
ฝนตกบอกแล้วใช่ไหมฮะฝนตกบอกว่ายังไงห้ามไปวิ่งเล่น
You're a little cute right now. Yes, you see little. He's a little cute. Crazy boy.
Golden Retriever energy. Find one thing, love it forever. When affection becomes a competitive sport.
Gotcha.
Forget dog walking. This man upgraded to cow walking.
If our pups didn't make your day, nothing will. Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
This cat has reached a level of relaxation the rest of us can only dream of.
That's so sweet, man.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
Hey, Gizmo, what are you doing? I'm trying to fix your fence that your others have destroyed. Hey, stop it! Ow! Gizmo, I'm busy.
Oh, brave girl.
Oh, baby. Oh, good girl.
I feel like she's going to be a lot like her dad.
That's it. That's it. I knew. That's your baby girl. That's your baby girl.
That husky has a very dangerous definition of making a new friend. Someone just upgraded his room to a mobile home.
Wow, very... Wait lang ha. Pakita natin kay Mamundi tempo.
He's either very smart or very lucky.
Urine is running down my neck.
Bro, eat your banana. Your banana. Banana.
I don't speak dog, but I'm sure the husky is winning. Every neighborhood has that one furry neighbor who knows everyone's business.
Took out the doggy door, and now Luca doesn't know he can come into the house. He's stuck. Luca, come on. Here's Cookie. Come on. Come on. Here's Cookie. Come on. He doesn't think he can come in because there's no doggy door.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom.
Even when your body's 100% joy, being a good boy still matters. Maybe the wolf is too stunned to speak. Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. It's time for sunshine, wagging tails, and the cutest outdoor doggy hangout you've ever seen.
That's not a cow anymore. That's just a giant affectionate puppy.
Easy to sleep, little baby.
This dramatic king is the final lifeboat on the Titanic.
Grandmas have always been the most comfortable place to nap.
School of Professional Chomp teacher isn't going easy on the tuition.
One thing about affection in Buffalo, they'll always absolutely invade your personal space.
You can get in here and say that to my face.
Who's that, Archer? That's Eloise. That's your sister, bud.
Wake the baby up.
Hey, 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 hey. Slow down.
Dolly, are you freaking kidding me right now? Dolly. And Fred.
Human, trust me, that comb is literally a spy.
Humans focused on fixing, donkeys focused on customer satisfaction.
Good job, guys. Come in.
He's still convinced there's a secret portal behind the TV. Fun fact, escalators feel strange to golden retrievers due to movement and pressure changes.
He's clearly very passionate about this topic.
The corgi is taking mental notes to be the best nanny ever.
Dog's asleep on the floor. I'm about to open the biscuit tin.
Dogs also fear the unknown. This is a classic neophobia reaction.
You can buy all the toys in the world, and they'll still choose the hose.
啥狗？
我累了。
哎呦我操！
Ramiro Vaca. Dogs love new textures like sand. It's basically turning their brain into a, ooh, what's this mode?
Some dogs love the crowd, some don't, so let's respect their vibe.
Oh, it's like, oh. Bro.
He just wanted to let his teammates know to come out and greet him.
Hi.
Captain! No! Sit down here!
This is what happens when curiosity ignores common sense.
Captain! You can't go up there!
Like a snow angel? Hey, you guys.
I bet this group of dogs will sleep really well tonight.
Gonna come down with us? Good girl.
Black dog be like, hey buddy, ready for today's adventure?
Okay. I'm coming, Mingo.
Give that good boy a pup cup before he floods the entire car.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Easy.
Easy goose.
Legend has it, he's still running to this day. Uh-oh, his body is moving so fast. I hope he...
Leave it. Leave it. Good boy.
He doesn't lift off.
Listen, you want a puppuccino? You want a puppuccino?
You might need a few more tries, buddy.
For your information, cows absolutely refuse to let their favorite human out of their sight.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
A good friend can make even the best day better.
My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
Wait. Wait. What are you supposed to do?
Every pup has a different personality, so give your puppy time to adjust, parents.
Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Okay, one. Ready?
Love it.
Huh? Fetching? Nah, that's too mainstream. This pup is too sophisticated for that.
Cats have never let physics get in the way.
If these pups made you laugh, like and subscribe for your daily dose of wholesome fun. See ya! People say training is hard, but this one's proving the opposite. When you're little, but have the spirit of a wrestler.
So embarrassing, man.
Dagan toy! Dagan toy! Kaya ko kayo mong kalaban! Dagan! Dagan toy!
Hello, Coco. Bye. 3, 2, 1.
Gentle, 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 very gentle, 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 gentle.
Now that's what I call a relaxing afternoon.
Floor. Was it you? Was it you? Or was it you? Who did it?
Apparently, waiting is not one of his skills. Did you know that grizzly bears can smell food from miles away? Their sense of smell is estimated to be several times stronger than a bloodhound's.
He's so bad.
Oh, Human, now I know people don't lie. Princesses are real.
Bakit ganyan? Pipi na pipi yung... Akira?
Hope the owner likes wearing husky sparkle on their clothes.
5 time on your then the attack will eliminate any in the game.
Aqui não quer elétrico, viu?
Eita!
Ai, não briguem! Oh, meu Deus!
Toma.
No. No. No.
You kidding me? A lion jaw can't get through?
Yeah, that's right. And those lions better be careful because the edges of the scales are sharp. And they can cut a line, and they're almost impossible to pry open.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Cool.
Que delícia, mamãe! Cadê o solinho? Ai, solinho! Ai, que delícia, mamãe!
Give me a kiss. Good job, buddy.
Great job. What are you doing? What are you doing?
2, 3, go!
Never underestimate a dog with a donut on the line.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
Sometimes it's hard to hold the love that is huge. Who knows? He's an interior designer specializing in English breakfast chic.
Baby Goat is acting exactly like a toddler who refuses to leave their favorite person alone.
Dog. She doesn't bite at all. I genuinely think that this is the best dog breed for everybody. I just feel like she doesn't bite at all whatsoever. Oh my god.
Funny.
I think Heidi missed her calling as a geologist.
Bro, put it down.
Why does he look like the final boss of a dog movie?
One good scratch, and suddenly the baby donkey forgets every problem in life.
Do you want to go outside?
Well, there's no clearer yes than this action.
Come here, Doodle. Doodle, come here. Doodle, come here. Come here. Doodle, come on. Seriously, dog.
Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Oh.
Obi. Obi. Smokey down. Obi. Good. Hey. Oh, my baby. Hola.
Here we go, baby. Let's go to the park. Here we go, adults. Let's go to the park.
You ate 9 hot dogs.
In her defense, 9 hot dogs is a pretty impressive number.
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Kerjaan ya, ditinggali seharian. Sampai kebelah 2 keset. Biarin aja.
Little baby? Yeah. I know. Just a little baby. Can you see him from there? Oh my goodness.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
I'm just recording this now so I can shame you for it later. This is what happens. This is what happens when you try to escape.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the goofiest, most unpredictable pups you've ever seen. Let's go!